Hello everyone, I am Daryl E. McCullough and I want to thank you for joining me once again for another video, this time on the Schwinn IC4. You know, I want to start this with saying that I truly enjoy bike riding. Like ever since I was a teenager, it was just something that I did. Riding around the neighborhood, things like that, and as I got older, the trips became longer and longer. I've had several bikes over the years. However, the ones that I've kept are my Specialized FSR mountain bike, very comfortable ride, but on the heavy side. I also have my Specialized Cirrus Hybrid, a great bike as well, and definitely much lighter. So, what are my concerns? Living in the Midwest, my last bike ride is usually around November, and then the snow hits. Several months, no outdoor activity other than using my snowblower. This lack of physical activity makes my spring bike ride tough. So to help with this, several years ago, I was interested in purchasing a stationary bike. There were a lot of choices. Uh, however, I did not want to spend thousands of dollars. I didn't want to spend as much on a stationary bike as I did on my actual bike. I didn't want, months of membership fees, things like that. I just wanted something sturdy and simple. So I ended up purchasing the Schwinn IC4. So here it is, 3 years later, and my Schwinn IC4 is still in great condition. Next to it is my wife's Schwinn Aerodyne AD6. That's holding up well for her too. So how do I use the Schwinn IC4 to my benefit? Well, during the winter months, I try to ride my stationary bike at least twice a week for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'll just go on YouTube and put on a 30-minute bike riding video or just listen to some music. No instructor needed for me. I just try to keep things simple and cheap. So what do you know? It's late February and it's 63 degrees. I had to get out and ride even though it was extremely windy. Uh, I'm going to show you a video of that trip. Definitely windy out here, but I'm going to get on the road and see what these old bones can do. Oh, I'll tell you, this ride against this wind is treacherous. Real tough ride. It wasn't a good ride for me. 10 miles really just breaks the ice for me. I'm normally around 20, 25 or so, but it was just too windy. Despite that, the next day I woke up feeling great. I did not have the leg soreness that I would normally have my first ride after the winter break before I purchased the Schwinn IC4. But thankfully, I had another opportunity. We got another uh, great day. It was like 70 degrees early March, and I'm going to show you that trip as well. Oh, much better ride today. This time, about 70 degrees. No, well, just a little bit of wind, but it's great. Just enough to keep it breezy. And, after work bike ride, so I can ramp up and prepare for spring. But great ride so far. No pains. IC4 is doing its thing. So I'm very happy purchasing a stationary bike. And if you're in the market for a stationary bike, I recommend that you purchase the Schwinn IC4. It definitely helped keep me conditioned over the winter months. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was informative for you. You take care and happy riding.